In 2024, one American hypercar returned with one mission: to finally beat Bugatti Chiron in top speed and rewrite automotive history. Its last major high-speed run had already crossed 270 miles per hour back in 2022. For nearly 2 years, the engineers disappeared behind closed doors, redesigning the car from the ground up. More power, better aerodynamics, more stability. Everything pointed toward one final assault on the world's fastest car crown. But during a high-speed test at more than 400 kilometers per hour, something went terribly wrong. The run ended before history could be made. 1 year later, the Venom F5 became lighter, faster, and more powerful than ever before, now producing over 2,000 horsepower. But this time, the biggest obstacle wasn't the car. It was time. Because while Hennessey was perfecting the Venom F5 Evolution, the rest of the world refused to wait. New hypercars arrived, and a new generation of speed machines pushed the limits even further. To stand above every rival and silence every doubter, the Venom F5 must go beyond 500 kilometers per hour. Can America's most ambitious hypercar finally achieve what it was built to do? This is the story of the Hennessey Venom F5 and its future top speed run. The story actually began long before the Venom F5 existed. In February 2014, Hennessey performance stunned the automotive world when the Venom GT reached 270.49 miles per hour at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It was faster than the Bugatti Veyron Supersport's official record, yet history refused to recognize it. The run was completed in only one direction, and with just 13 cars planned for production, it failed to meet the Guinness World Records requirements. For many manufacturers, that would have been the end of the story. But for John Hennessey, it was only the beginning. Instead of chasing recognition with another modified machine, he made an even bigger promise. The next car would be built entirely from scratch. Every bolt, every panel, every line of code would serve one purpose: creating the fastest production car America had ever produced. For the next several years, Hennessey remained unusually quiet. Behind the closed doors of its Texas headquarters, engineers worked in secrecy, knowing they weren't just building another hypercar. They were taking on Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and every manufacturer that had spent decades dominating the battle for ultimate speed. When the Venom F5 finally made its world debut at the 2017 SEMA show in Las Vegas, it wasn't simply another expensive exotic. It was a declaration of war. Even its name carried a warning. The Fujita scale classifies an F5 tornado as the most violent storm on Earth, capable of producing winds exceeding 261 miles per hour and leaving almost nothing standing in its path. Hennessey wanted its new flagship to have the same effect on the hypercar world. Unlike the Venom GT, which relied on a modified Lotus Exige chassis, the Venom F5 shared nothing with any existing production car. It was engineered from a blank sheet of paper, allowing the team to optimize every component for one target, breaking the 300 miles per hour barrier and eventually becoming the first production car to officially exceed 500 kilometers per hour. At the center of that mission sat an engine unlike anything Hennessey had ever built. Nicknamed the Fury, the 6.6-liter twin turbocharged V8 was developed alongside Ilmor Engineering and became the heart of the entire project. Although its architecture traces its roots to Chevrolet's legendary small block V8, almost every component was redesigned to survive unimaginable levels of stress. A billet steel crankshaft, forged aluminum pistons, forged connecting rods, titanium intake valves, sodium-filled exhaust valves, and a pair of massive precision turbochargers transformed it into a mechanical monster capable of producing 1,817 horsepower and 1,617 newton-meters of torque in standard form. But building a 1,800 horsepower engine was the easy part. The real challenge began once the speedometer climbed beyond 400 kilometers per hour. At those speeds, horsepower alone means almost nothing. The air itself becomes the enemy. Tiny aerodynamic imbalances can send a car drifting off its intended line. Crosswinds become powerful enough to upset stability. Even the tires begin fighting against physics, as centrifugal forces attempt to pull them apart. That meant every millimeter of the Venom F5 had to earn its place. Engineers spent countless hours using computational fluid dynamics, simulations, and wind tunnel testing to shape the body. Air flowing beneath the car became just as important as the air moving over it. The front splitter, flat underbody, rear diffuser, and carefully sculpted bodywork were designed to reduce drag, while generating enough stability to keep the car controllable at speeds few production vehicles have ever experienced. Michelin was also forced to push tire technology to new limits, developing tires capable of surviving forces that most racing cars never encounter. Yet despite all that engineering, one obstacle remained impossible to eliminate completely: risk. Every attempt to rewrite history carries the possibility of failure. That reality became painfully clear during a high-speed development program in 2024. While testing at well over 400 kilometers per hour, one of the Venom F5 prototypes suffered a serious accident. In just a few terrifying seconds, years of engineering were brought to an abrupt halt. Fortunately, the carbon fiber safety cell performed exactly as intended, allowing the driver to walk away without serious injury. But the dream of becoming the world's fastest production car suddenly seemed further away than ever. For many companies, such an incident might have ended the program altogether. Hennessey responded differently. Instead of abandoning the project, engineers treated every piece of telemetry as valuable data. Months were spent analyzing airflow, suspension movement, tire behavior, and steering response. Nothing was left untouched. Every weakness discovered during the crash became an opportunity to build an even better machine. The result was the most advanced Hennessey ever created. The Venom F5 Evolution wasn't a completely new car, but a comprehensive performance package developed from everything Hennessey learned during years of testing. Working alongside Formula One aerodynamicist Dr. Mark Hanford, the company redesigned the aerodynamics for greater stability at extreme speeds while refining the suspension and steering for improved confidence. Under the rear deck, the 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged Fury V8 received larger precision next-gen turbochargers, upgraded injectors, billet aluminum pistons, and titanium exhaust valves, pushing output to an astonishing 2,031 horsepower and 1,960 newton-meters of torque on E85 fuel. Hennessey claims the Evolution can sprint from 0 to 200 miles per hour in just 10 seconds, making it one of the quickest accelerating production cars ever built. Existing owners can upgrade their cars with the Evolution package, while a fully specified new Venom F5 Evolution can approach $3 million, making it the ultimate expression of Hennessey's pursuit of speed. What do you think about the Hennessey Venom F5? Can it finally achieve its ultimate goal of 500 kilometers per hour? Let us know in the comments below.